Hey guys, I'm back. I know you guys are gonna love this, so stay tuned guys, because you do not want to miss this delicious yumminess. So let's start off with some hot water, as we always do. We're gonna do some lemon tea. We're gonna do our half a teaspoon. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it like this because it's about a half a teaspoon. It was already finishing, so half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna do half of the NRG. Yep, we're needing that energy today, guys. So half of that. We are going to use our Blue Blast beverage mix. We're gonna go ahead and do half a teaspoon. You can definitely do 1/4 if you like, but we really want that flavor in there. So give it a little stir. Get all of that in there. There we go. Now we're going to add some ice. What I'm going to add is this yummy jello, this blue jello. And all I did was add some fruit when I made the jello. Jello is super easy to make and a really good option. It's a sugar-free jello, by the way. So just some slices of sugar-free jello in there. And we're going to put some of our mango aloe. We're going to do about 2 topfuls. So you can use your top as a measuring. And then water, just water. Let it pour all the way. So yummy. There we go. And then last but not least, we're going to put this Snowy River. This is a cocktail glitter. And I get the white one, the all natural one. They have other colors, so it's totally up to you. And we're just going to sprinkle this. It's really, really fine powder. So you just need a little bit. Like, you don't even need a lot. Like I said, because it's really fine powder. So, whoops. Let me fix you guys. So all I'm going to do is just move that glitter a little bit on the top. You can totally mix this on the side and then pour it over. It's up to you. I just kind of want it on that. I just kind of wanted to pour it on the top just so y'all can see it. The camera might not even do its justice for this beauty, but believe me when I tell you that this looks absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, delicious. Look at this. I mean, I don't even know if you guys can see that. It sparkles up there nice and close. Let me see. Whoop. Focus, focus. There we go. You can see it shimmers in there. It's a shimmery color. It's a nice, beautiful blue. It's just like, boom, that little hint of love in your drink. So you might want to try it, guys. I will leave a link below if you guys want to try it. Easy find. And I absolutely love this drink. It's super pretty. Let's see if you guys can see that. The jello is in there. The sparkleness is in there. So you might want to use a boba straw for this, which is the thicker straws, to get some of those chunks of the jello. Not a skinny one like this one. And you're going to get like that little pieces of jello while you enjoy your drink. So I hope you guys like, recreate. Tag me, please. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.